Welcome, dear friends. Today we discuss about new theorem. In previous videos, we study definition of similar triangles, tests of similarity of two triangles, and ratio of areas of two triangles. We use these properties, tests, and with the help of these properties and tests, we today study a new theorem. Let us we discuss about new theorem. Welcome, dear friends. I am B.F.E. Patil. My school name is Uttur Vidyalaya Uttur. Today we'll discuss about standard 10th subject maths part 2, chapter 1st, and chapter name is similarity. In previous period we discuss about tests of similarity of two triangles. We discuss here one example number first, one trapezium. We draw here first diagonal, second diagonal, and trapezium is trapezium A, B, C, D, and diagonals intersect in point O. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, then AB 20, DC 6, and OB is 15, and asking question is OD. In solution, first part is here triangles congruent? No, here any two triangles are not congruent. Which triangles we consider here? Here 6 CD side 6 given and OD side asking question, then tell here triangle whose sides are CD and OD, that is triangle COD. And here AB is 20 and OB is 15. Tell the name of triangle whose side is AB and OB, that is triangle AOB. These two triangles are, we show here, similar because they are not congruent. In triangle COD and triangle, here first point is C and its 1 corresponds to point A. Therefore A, then second point O and its correspondence O also, and here third point is D and its 1 correspondence is point B. This is two triangles name with 1 correspondence, means एकास एक संगती, त्यानुसार आपण ट्रायंगलची नावे लिहिलेली आहेत. Then tell here first condition. We discuss different tests of similarity of triangles. Here, with the help of parallel line, means DC is the parallel line and transversal is CA, then this transversal CA and side CD parallel side connect, join in which point? That is point C here, means angle OCD congruent, then another parallel side is AB and transversal is CA. This transversal CA and parallel side AB join in which point? Join in point A, means angle OAB, and reason is AB parallel CD, DC and CA transversal CA, and for that transversal we get alternate angles. Alternate angles C and A are congruent because two lines are parallel. Then this parallel side CD and another transversal DB join in which point? That is point D, means angle ODC, congruent. This parallel side AB and transversal DB join in which point? That is point B, means angle OBA, and reason is these angles are alternate angles. When alternate angles are congruent? If two lines are parallel, means AB parallel DC and transversal DB. For that transversal we get alternate angle. Then tell here third condition. Two diagonals are intersect in point O, therefore two angles always congruent. Which are the two angles? That is angle COD congruent. Another angle is, that is AOB. And why these two angles are congruent? Because these are opposite angles. Therefore, if three conditions we get here, then what we write conclusion? That is two triangles are similar. Triangle COD similar triangle AOB, and tell here reason, and reason is AAA test. Therefore, if two triangles are similar, then what we write conclusion? We write conclusion about sides, means sides are proportional. That is first and third point is CD divided by first and third is AB. First and second CO, that is CO is not given, therefore first and third we consider is equal to second and third OD, that is asking question, divided by the here second and third OB, and tell here reason, that is corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore substitute values, value of CD 6 divided by value of AB 20 is equal to value of OD, that is asking question, divided by value of OB is 15. Therefore, what is the next step? Next step is cross multiplication, means 6 into 15 is equal to 20 into OD. Therefore, 15 6 are 90 is equal to 20 into OD. Therefore, this 20 multiply, taking on LHS side, it becomes divide, means 90 divided by 20 is equal to OD remaining. 20 divide to 90, therefore we get 4.5 is equal to OD. Therefore, by changing side, means RHS side on left side and LHS on RHS side, therefore OD is equal to 4.5. In this way, we can solve this example. Here, test of similarity we can use here. Substitute values, sides are proportional and substitute values, then we get answer. This is the method of solution. Understand? Yes. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. Today we discuss about that theorem. This theorem asked in board question many times. Therefore, this theorem is very important. Theorem is prove that when two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. In solution, that sentence we write in 4 parts. Tell the first part. First part is given, and in given which part present in that sentence, that is given means from when to then, means the sentence from when to then is two triangles are similar. For that purpose we draw here two triangles. First triangle we draw here, and for areas perpendicular, that is height, we want here triangle A, B, C, and perpendicular is AD. Then it's a similar triangle we draw here. Here angle B we congruent taking, because two triangles are similar, therefore corresponding angles are congruent. Then second triangle is triangle PQR, and here perpendicular is PS. Then angle Q and angle B are congruent because these two triangles are similar. Here two triangles are similar means tell the which triangles are similar. That is triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. And here for area we draw perpendicular, that is AD is perpendicular on BC and PS is perpendicular on QR. The next part is to prove. In to prove sentence after then, that is the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, here the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, means here first and second point is AB, means AB square divided by, here first and second is PQ, that is PQ square, is equal to second and third is BC square divided by second and third is QR square, is equal to first and third is AC square divided by first and third is PR square. Here the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the square, the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Then next part here construction, that is not important here. Then fourth part is proof. In proof, we goes from given to prove. First, we consider what is given. Tell here what is given. That is triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR, and reason is given. Therefore, what we write conclusion? That is conclusion about side is corresponding sides are proportional, means first and second point is AB divided by first and second point is PQ is equal to second and third BC divided by second and third is QR is equal to first and third is AC divided by first and third is PR, and reason is proportional sides. That is equation first. And tell about angle. If two triangles are similar, then corresponding angles are congruent, means second point B we take here, that is angle B, congruent here second point is Q, that is angle Q, and reason is corresponding angles of similar triangles. That is equation 2. Then for ratio of areas of two triangle, tell the ratio of area of triangle is, what is the formula? That is 1/2 into base into height. Here base is BC and height is AD. Here base QR and height is PS. Therefore, we want height. For that purpose, height is AD. Tell the side AD include in which triangle? That is triangle ABD, and here that height PS include in triangle PQS. Otherwise, these are the LHS side triangle. Otherwise, we take RHS side triangle also we consider. Here LHS side triangle means LHS of left side of height AD and left side of height PS. Then what is the first condition? First condition, this is perpendicular, means here 90, and here perpendicular means here 90. Equal measures of two angles are congruent, means angle ADB congruent angle PSQ, and tell the reason. That is each 90 degree and equal measures are congruent. Then tell the second condition, that is angle B congruent angle Q, and what is the reason? Because from equation 2. Therefore, if two conditions we get here, then tell what we write conclusion. That is triangle ABD similar triangle PQS, because two angles we show here congruent, and reason is AA test. Therefore, if two triangles are similar, then what we write conclusion? Because height is important, means sides are proportional. That is first and second AB divided by first and second point is PQ, that is PQ side, is equal to second and third BD, but BD is not important. Then first and third point means AD side divided by first and third PS side, and reason is proportional sides. Then equation 3 here, then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, that is the LHS of to prove, is equal to. Here we use property. That property we study at the starting of this chapter. Means the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Means base BC into height AD divided by tail here, that is base QR into height PS is equal to, we write separately, means BC divided by QR, BC divided by QR into tail the term, that is AD divided by PS is equal to tail the value of BC upon QR, that is from equation 1 BC upon QR, its value we write AB upon PQ, otherwise AC upon PR. Here AB upon PQ we consider, that is AB divided by PQ, that is the value of BC upon QR, and from equation 1 into tail the value of AD upon PS, that is from equation 3 value of AD upon PS is AB upon PQ, means AB divided by PQ, that is the value of AD upon PS, and that values we write from equation 1 and 3 is equal to tail the next step, that is AB into AB is AB square divided by PQ into PQ is PQ square. Therefore, that is equation 4. Therefore, LHS side is AB divided by area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to this AB square divided by PQ square is equal to, in place of AB upon PQ, what we write here, AB upon PQ is equal to, we write here BC upon QR, means BC square divided by QR square is equal to, in place of AB upon PQ we write AC upon PR, means AC square divided by PR square, because square present here, and value of AB upon PQ we substitute BC upon QR and AC upon QR, that values we substitute from equation 1 and 4, we write conclusion, and this is to prove, hence the proof. In this way we prove that theorem of areas of similar triangle. Here in that theorem we use previous properties, that is definition of similar triangle. If two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional and angles are congruent, that property we use here, and areas of ratio of areas of triangles property we use here, and substitute values we get answer. In this way we solve that theorem. You understand very well. Then in this way we prove theorem and we solve examples. For new examples and theorems, you connect my YouTube channel and you get more and more marks. Thank you. Dear student, today you understand new concepts in my video. For knowing new concepts in maths, be connected to my YouTube channel. If subscribe my YouTube channel, then my new uploaded video reach to you immediately. Thank you.